Today, we're going to talk about a topic that many people are interested in, which is YouTube automation using AI tools. So what is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is the use of automated tools and software to perform tasks related to YouTube, such as creating and uploading videos, managing comments and subscriptions, and promoting channels and content. However, it is important to use automation tools responsibly and within YouTube's guidelines to avoid account suspension or termination. If you're a content creator, you know how time-consuming it can be to manage your YouTube channel. From editing videos to optimizing keywords, it can take hours to get everything done. But what if I told you that you can use AI tools to automate many of these tasks? That's right, with the power of artificial intelligence, you can streamline your workflow and focus on creating the content your viewers love. So in this video, we're going to explore some of the best AI tools for YouTube automation. Let's dive in. In today's digital age, video content has become a powerful tool for engaging with audiences and building brand awareness. However, creating compelling video content can be a daunting task, especially for those who are new to video creation. One of the most important aspects of content creation is choosing a topic that is relevant to your niche and appealing to your audience. Finding a topic that resonates with your audience can make the difference between a successful video and one that falls flat. It's important to conduct research and identify what topics are currently trending in your niche. You can also check out what your competitors are doing to get some ideas. Once you have a few potential topics in mind, it's important to choose the one that you feel will be the most interesting and informative for your audience. Once you have chosen your topic, the next step is to create a script for your video. Writing a script that is engaging, informative, and concise can be a challenging task. This is where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is an AI-powered platform that can help you create high-quality scripts for your videos. You can simply input your topic into the platform, and it will generate a script for you based on the latest research and trends. For example, if you have chosen the topic Top 10 Awesome Facts About the Human Body That No One Knows About, you can ask ChatGPT to write a 10-minute YouTube video script for you. ChatGPT will provide you with 10 interesting and little-known facts about the human body, which you can use to create an engaging and informative video. In conclusion, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for anyone who wants to create high-quality video content. By using this platform, you can save time and effort in creating scripts for your videos, while also ensuring that your content is relevant, informative, and engaging. Creating engaging content is crucial to growing your YouTube channel, and AI tools like Pictory AI and Lumen 5 can help you create video content quickly and easily. With machine learning algorithms, these tools can generate videos based on your specifications, including length and tone. To get started with Pictory AI, simply visit their website and sign up for a free trial using your Google account. Once you've logged in, you'll be prompted to select your main video goal. Since our goal is to create videos for YouTube, we'll choose the first option, monetize views on my YouTube channel and other sites. After selecting Solo and Content Creator, click the Submit button. Now you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you'll see 4 options. The first option is to create a video using a script, which is the one we'll use for this tutorial. Alternatively, you can create videos from articles or blogs by pasting the link into the second option, and Pictory AI will automatically generate a video. Once you selected the script option, you'll be prompted to input the topic of your video at the top of the screen and paste the script that ChatGPT wrote for us in the bottom box. Then choose a template from the selection provided. There are various templates to choose from, so pick one that suits your content. Next, select the aspect ratio of your video. A long-form video typically has a 6:9 aspect ratio, so select that option and click Continue. It may take a few minutes for Pictory AI to generate the video based on the script you've provided. Once your video is generated, you can further customize it by adding an intro and outro scene and even voiceovers. You can record your own voiceovers or use 11 Labs, another AI tool for voiceover. To add voiceovers using 11 Labs, simply sign up for the tool and select Speech Synthesis. From here, you can choose from a variety of AI voices and customize settings as needed. Finally, download the generated voiceover and upload it to your video in Pictory AI. And there you have it, a complete video created with the help of AI tools like Pictory AI and 11 Labs. By using these tools, you can quickly and easily create engaging video content that will help grow your YouTube channel. There are voiceover options in Pictory AI too, but we are using 11 Lab because its voiceovers sound more natural than Pictory AI voiceovers. To make your videos discoverable on YouTube, you need to use the right keywords. However, finding the right keywords can be a challenge. Thankfully, you can use AI-powered tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ. These tools analyze your content and suggest the most relevant keywords to improve your ranking. Let's dive into some more details about how vidIQ can help improve the discoverability of your YouTube videos. After signing up for vidIQ, you'll need to connect it to your YouTube account. Once connected, vidIQ will analyze your channel and provide you with insights and recommendations to improve your channel's performance. One of the key features of vidIQ is its keyword research tool. To use vidIQ keyword research tool, start by typing in a keyword related to your video. For example, if you're creating a video about vegan recipes, you might type in vegan recipes or plant-based diet. vidIQ will then generate a list of related keywords and provide you with data about each one, including the search volume, competition level, and potential traffic. Using this information, you can select the most relevant keywords for your video and optimize your video's title, description, and tags accordingly. vidIQ also provides a scorecard feature, which gives you an overall grade for your video's SEO performance based on the keywords you selected. But vidIQ isn't just about keyword research. When uploading a video, vidIQ can also generate a video title using AI. This feature can save you time and provide you with a title that is both SEO-friendly and eye-catching. Additionally, they generate a description and related tags for your video. By providing relevant and informative content in your video description, you can help viewers understand what your video is about and improve your video's chances of being discovered. Vid also provides other useful features to help you optimize your videos for SEO, including a thumbnail generator, competitor analysis tools, and a tool to track your video's performance over time. In conclusion, using AI-powered tools like vidIQ can help you improve the discoverability of your videos on YouTube by suggesting relevant keywords, generating SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and tags, and providing other useful insights and recommendations to optimize your channel's performance. For thumbnails, we can use Canva. Canva offers a wide range of customizable thumbnail templates for YouTube videos, and its AI-powered tool can suggest relevant design elements for your thumbnail based on your video's content. Adobe Spark has an AI-powered tool that can suggest design elements for your thumbnail based on your video's content. You can also customize your thumbnail using its intuitive design tools. Tubergoo is an AI-powered tool specifically designed for YouTube thumbnail creation. It uses machine learning to suggest the most visually appealing design elements for your thumbnail based on your video's content. Thumbnail Blaster offers a range of customizable thumbnail templates and an AI-powered tool that can suggest design elements based on your video's content. It also has a split testing feature to help you determine which thumbnail performs best. Placeit has an AI-powered tool that can generate thumbnails for your YouTube videos based on your video's content. You can customize the thumbnail using its extensive library of design elements. These are just a few examples of AI-powered tools for generating thumbnails for YouTube videos. There are many other tools available that use machine learning and AI algorithms to help you create visually appealing thumbnails that attract viewers to your videos. To reach a wider audience, you need to promote your videos on social media, but managing multiple social media accounts can be overwhelming. That's where AI tools like Hootsuite and Buffer come in. These tools can help you schedule your posts, manage your accounts, and even suggest the best times to post for maximum engagement. So there you have it, some of the best AI tools for YouTube automation. By using these tools, you can save time and energy while growing your channel. And while automation can't replace the human touch, it can certainly make your life as a content creator a lot easier. Do you use any AI tools for YouTube automation? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.